Yes, good morning. It's a Monday. It's another new brand week. So we're hoping to see what might happen as the market unfolds for this brand new week. So I'll be starting looking at the DXY basically, and I'll also look at some geopolitics which is currently happening. So first of all, we're just gonna be putting our main focus on the dollar index, how it's literally can be affected. Yes, and also other tradable instruments like stocks. Basically, I'm referring to US major indices, commodities, referring to gold, silver, copper, what, palladium, and also other agricultural commodities. So basically, we're looking at the dollar index and what's happening now. Actually, we have some geopolitics. Literally, I'll be talking about the Iran Iran tension. So that is ongoing for now. So we're hoping to see a few volatility in the market if the geopolitics intensifies, yes, between Iran and the States. So let me start off with the DXY. The DXY, since last week, it was a Friday. We've been looking at it Friday, Thursday. We saw the DXY rally to the upside, taking out this external range liquidity, giving us a break of structure. And for that, what I expected, I marked my area of inducement. It's a zone of inducement. It was marked, and I was expecting price to come and take out this inducement. It was our major inducement after breaking this structure upwards. So that inducement got taken out, and I was looking forward to see price aiming for more discounted pricing, because below we had an area of demand. Yeah, you can see this was an area of demand, and we had imbalance above it, and liquidity still was residing above it. So I was hoping to see, this is the setup I made. I was hoping to see a pullback towards this area of demand, to see that the dollar might continue buying. But for some reasons, I'm not so sure. Yes, because in for some reasons, just like I said, yeah. So we just have to wait and see how the dollar reacts off of this area of demand. Yeah, because we might even happen to see that this demand gets broken. You understand? And prices might aim lower if maybe we have some geopolitics intensifying. You understand? Yes. But for now, we're just gonna patiently wait to see the reaction this demand. But according to what I see, I'm hoping to see uh, uh, price sponsorship off of this demand towards the upside. I'm still long on the dollar index. I'm still long on the dollar index, just as you say. Yes, I'm just waiting for this demand to be tapped. Then I see if I get confirmations to continue buying. So when we go to GU, EU, these are the counter currencies against the dollar. GU, we've been pretty bearish. You can see price has been really breaking below, and you can see the current order flow leg. We have the fair value area, we have the fair value gap, and we have the swing points. Definitely price reacted upon this H4 a reaction area. It was the H4 order block, which I had it as an extreme order block. So there was a reaction, and this reaction we had, since we had broken structure, this was our trading range. We had inducement, which I looked for. This is the inducement which I marked. I was hoping price to take out this inducement to see that price at least retraces towards the areas of premium. Premium areas, these are discounted areas for sales. So we see prices proceeding, approaching towards our area of supply. So this is where I'm hoping to see price reaction. If the supply happens to fail, if this supply happens to fail, I'll be calling it as a chalk. Price will be reversing, then I'll be looking for buys. If the supply happens to hold, then I'll still stack in more sales so that I could continue selling it, targeting this area of demand, which means this demand will be taken out as we continue to sell. So Euro USD is currently the supply, you can see, is currently reacting off of this supply, but I think maybe it might rally a little bit to the minimum threshold of this area of supply, or in the middle, definitely. But I'm hoping to see if I get any further confirmations, I'll continue to sell it. But if I fail, then if this supply fails and it gets run through, you know what happens? It will become as my chalk, and I'll be looking for buys. But we're still bearish currently, so we might expect price to be delivering short, understand, aiming to take out this demand. So going to gold, we looked at gold. I was expecting gold to continue up. As you could see, gold has been aided by the geopolitics that we've been having. US trying to attack Iran, and the current news, the US air carrier was spotted in the Mediterranean Sea. So basically, maybe they were trying to launch to see, maybe to start off the attack. So currently, I haven't got news saying that maybe the attack has been initiated, but once the attack starts, we're gonna still see gold continuing higher, because investors will literally continue putting their money on gold. They'll be pulling out money from the dollar, putting it on gold. So currently gold, we saw gold took out this area of supply. You can see this area of supply, intermediate supply, it became chalk, and then we saw it attacking the buy side liquidity, this external range liquidity. So for that, it was a breakaway gap. You can see now the imbalance which was left is where I'm hoping to station my areas of my entries for buy, for longs. So I'm hoping to see gold pulling back towards this imbalance, refilling this imbalance before taking off to the upside. And the upside, definitely we have two areas of premium. We have the supply that you see, which is the most recent, this one, this decision, and we have the extreme. So gold in the long run, we're still bullish. This is just a mere pullback so that we can see that we can continue buying it. So when I come to oil, US oil, still we're hoping to continue seeing longs on US oil. Currently, oil has been reacting off of this fair value area where which aligns my chalk. Definitely, so I'm hoping to see if there is progress for oil to continue buying. But if the geopolitics intensifies in Iran, we're gonna see a high demand of oil. So I'll be hoping to see oil continuing to buy. So this is what I had for today, though I'm still also waiting for my USD to give me proper setups. This week, hoping to kill the market. Have a blessed week, everyone. Thank you. See you tomorrow.